Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Etsy account. Deleting your Etsy account permanently removes your profile, listings, purchase history, and reviews. First of all, launch open the Etsy application on your device and log in. You can also go visit Etsy.com on a web browser and get to your profile. Once you're in the home page of Etsy app, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile picture, and from the profile menu, click on Settings. Under the Settings menu, click on Privacy at the top. Now, go to the very bottom of the screen, and if you want to delete your account, you will be able to see Tap Here option at the bottom. Simply tap on that, and in the pop-up, click on Delete. You'll receive an email with instruction on what to do next. So go ahead and open up your email inbox. Click Open the email from Etsy, and now scroll all the way down and click on Confirm my account deletion. Soon after you do that, you will be able to proceed with the account deletion process, and your account will be permanently deleted. So that is how you easily delete your Etsy account in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.